Are you ready to explore a powerful tool that can transform your income streams? Well, this week I've got actionable tips and insights to help you discover how to make money with Gling AI. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or freelancer, this guide will unlock new opportunities for success. Before diving into strategies, let's first understand what Gling AI is. Well, Gling AI is a cutting-edge tool designed to streamline the video editing process, particularly for YouTube creators. It uses artificial intelligence to identify key moments in raw footage, automatically cutting out pauses, filler words, and unnecessary content. The result? A polished, professional-looking video ready for publishing. So why is this significant? For creators, time is money. Editing can take hours, if not days, of valuable time that could be spent on other high-impact activities like brainstorming ideas, engaging with audiences, or creating more content. By automating the tedious process, Gling AI empowers users to produce videos faster without compromising quality. But that's not all. Gling AI isn't just for YouTubers. Freelancers, marketers, and agencies can also leverage its potential to enhance productivity and attract new clients. If you're serious about making money online, Gling AI is a game changer that deserves your attention. To start making money with Gling AI, the first step is mastering its functionalities. The process begins by uploading your raw, unedited footage directly into Gling AI's platform. Its intuitive interface ensures that even beginners can navigate it effortlessly. Once your video is uploaded, Gling AI's advanced algorithms get to work, analyzing the footage and automatically removing awkward pauses, filler words like ums and ahs, and irrelevant segments that don't add value to the content. After the AI has processed your video, you'll have the opportunity to review the results and make any necessary adjustments. This might include fine-tuning the edits, adding transitions to improve the flow, or incorporating overlays and subtitles to make the final product more engaging for your audience. The entire process is designed to be quick and seamless, allowing users to produce polished, professional quality videos in a fraction of the time traditional editing methods would actually require. The efficiency that Gling AI provides is transformative. For creators, this means being able to publish more frequently, which is essential for growing an audience and maximizing ad revenue. Freelancers and agencies benefit equally, as the faster turnaround times allows them to take on more projects, meet tight deadlines, and command higher rates for their services. With Gling AI, productivity meets profitability, creating endless opportunities for growth. If you're looking for ways to earn money with Gling AI, freelancing is one of the most promising opportunities. The demand for skilled video editors is at an all-time high, as businesses, influencers, and marketers increasingly rely on engaging video content to captivate audiences on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Gling AI equips freelancers with the tools to meet this demand efficiently and effectively. The first step to build a successful freelancing career with Gling AI is creating a strong portfolio. Use the software to edit sample videos that showcase your ability to deliver high-quality results in record time. Upload these samples to freelancing platforms such as Fiverr or Upwork, or feature them on your personal website to attract potential clients. Highlight your quick turnaround times and the polished output that Gling AI enables you to achieve. So once your portfolio is ready, the next step is marketing your services. So social media is a powerful platform to share before and after clips of your edits, demonstrating the transformative effects of Gling AI. This not only captures the attention of potential clients, but also establishes your credibility as an expert in the field. Freelancers who utilize Gling AI can stand out in a competitive market by delivering exceptional results with speed and precision. By building a reputation for quality and efficiency, you can attract more clients, increasing your workload capacity and command higher rates for your services, all while leveraging the cutting-edge capabilities of Gling AI. Are you dreaming of becoming a successful YouTuber? Well, Gling AI can help turn that dream into a reality by simplifying the content creation process and allowing you to focus on what truly matters to your audience and content. The tedious editing task handled by Gling AI, you'll have more time to craft compelling scripts, film engaging videos, and build meaningful connections with your viewers. One of the keys to YouTube success is consistency, and Gling AI empowers you to maintain a regular posting schedule. The streamline editing workflow means you can produce and publish videos more frequently, increasing your visibility and boosting your chances of gaining subscribers. With more videos online, you also create more opportunities for monetization, including ad revenue, sponsorship deals, and merchandise sales. The time saved with Gling AI also gives you the flexibility ability to analyze trends in your niche and quickly capitalize on them. Staying relevant is essential for growing your channel, and quick edits means you can respond to viral trends and produce timely content that keeps your audience engaged. YouTube's algorithm rewards creators who consistently deliver high-quality videos, and Gling AI ensures that you can meet these expectations without feeling overwhelmed. By simplifying the editing process, it allows you to focus on scaling your channel, engaging with your audience, and achieving your YouTube goals. With Gling AI as your editing partner, the path to becoming a successful YouTuber becomes clearer and more achievable. For those of you who are running or planning to start a content creation agency, Gling AI can be a game-changing tool that transforms how your business operates. As videos content continues to dominate digital marketing, clients are constantly seeking high-quality editing services to enhance their brand presence. Gling AI enables agencies to meet the demand by delivering polished professional videos with unprecedented speed and efficiency. The power of Gling AI lies in its ability to streamline the editing process, freeing up valuable time for your team to focus on other tasks. By significantly reducing the time required for editing, your agency can take on more projects, scale its operations, and increase revenue without overburdening your staff. This efficiency not only enhances productivity, but also ensures that deadlines are consistently met, boosting your reputation as a reliable service provider. Incorporating Gling AI into your agency's workflow also sets you apart from competitors. Clients are drawn to businesses that utilize cutting-edge tools to deliver expectational results. Highlighting your use of Gling AI in marketing materials can attract new clients who value innovation and efficiency. Additionally, the cost savings achieved by minimizing manual editing efforts can be reinvested into areas like marketing, team development, or expanding services offerings. By leveraging Gling AI, agencies can achieve superior results while optimizing resources, ensuring both client satisfaction and long-term growth. This tool empowers your business to stay ahead in a competitive market, making it a vital asset for any content creation agency. If you're looking for ways to earn passive income, Gling AI offers multiple opportunities to generate steady revenue streams. One effective method is creating and selling online courses. By sharing your expertise through tutorials on how to use Gling AI for video editing, you can provide value to aspiring creators while earning income on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. These courses require an initial time investment, but can continue to generate revenue long after they're published. Another promising avenue would be affiliate marketing. Many software companies, including Gling AI, have affiliate programs that allow you to earn a commission for every subscription sold through your referral. Promoting Gling AI on your blog, your YouTube channel, or social media platforms can create a consistent flow of income, especially if you have an engaged audience interested in content creation tools. Additionally, Gling AI can help you create and sell pre-edited video templates tailored for specific niches or industries. These templates save time for buyers and provide a valuable resource for creators, generating income with minimal ongoing effort. You can also build a membership-based community offering exclusive Gling AI tips, tutorials, and resources for a monthly subscription fee. This model not only creates a recurring income stream, but also positions you as a trusted expert in the field. Although passive income strategies require upfront effort, the ongoing revenue they provide can be highly rewarding. With Gling AI's versatility and innovative capabilities, building these streams becomes more accessible and profitable. Collaboration is one of the most effective ways to grow your brand and expand your earning potential, with Gling AI making it easier to work with others in the content creation space. Partnering with fellow creators, agencies, or influencers can lead to mutually beneficial opportunities while leveraging the time-saving benefits of Gling AI to streamline the collaborative process. When collaborating with other creators, one of the biggest challenges is managing multiple workflows and editing styles. Gling AI eliminates much of the complexity by standardizing the editing process, allowing you and your collaborators to focus on content quality and creative vision. Whether it's creating joint videos, running cross-channel promotions, or working on branded campaigns, the efficiency of Gling AI ensures that projects are completed on time without sacrificing quality or anything like that. By positioning yourself as a reliable collaborator who delivers high-quality, quick turnaround content, you'll attract more opportunities for partnerships. You can also offer your editing expertise as a value add to collaborations, using Gling AI to handle the post-production process and showcasing how this tool improves the outcome. Collaborations can also serve as a springboard for diversifying income streams, including revenue sharing, sponsorship deals, and co-branded products. With Gling AI, you can effectively manage collaborative projects while maximizing your creative and financial growth. This approach not only strengthens your network, but also opens the door to new income opportunities that help you scale your brand in the long run. And so there you have it, 7 powerful ways to make money with Gling AI. Whether you're a freelancer, a creator, or an agency owner, this tool is your ticket to success. Start exploring its potential today and unlock new income streams. Don't forget to like, share it with a friend, and most importantly, subscribe for more future tips. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one.